Welcome to this brief description of the upcoming conference on a FAIR data infrastructure for materials genomics. Predicting novel, new in its kind materials with specific desirable properties is an urgent requirement of basic and applied material science and engineering. In fact, the lifestyle and prosperity of our society is significantly affected by and build on such research and developments. For advancing the field, for finding better materials than those known today, we like to develop maps of materials' properties. The coordinates of such maps are called descriptors or actuators, and they correspond to what are genes in biology. These materials genes are largely unknown, and by developing big data analytics and artificial intelligence tools, researchers are presently trying to identify them. Obviously, we need data. And we need an efficient infrastructure that makes data of the many research groups on this planet findable, accessible, interoperable, and reusable. This is behind the acronym FAIR. Such FAIR data infrastructures hardly exist so far in our field. One exception is the NOMAD laboratory, which deals with ab initio computational materials science. Okay? The idea behind the conference is to describe the new horizons that can be reached by a FAIR data infrastructure for materials genomics. This is the video conference, but we will also have a poster session and lively live discussions. I am proud to tell that essentially everyone who is known and has impact in the field will give a plenary or invited talk. We invite you to visit the website, and you are very welcome to attend some presentations. Thanks for listening, and see you there.